Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. On a weekly time frame chart, Filecoin was previously moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Then we broke it out and formed another falling wedge pattern. And both falling wedges were formed within the bigger falling wedge pattern. You can see we had another very long term downtrend and resistance. And when the price then broke out this smaller falling wedge pattern at the same time, it also broke out this biggest falling wedge pattern as well. And then we had a very nice rally, by the way, from this though, when we were testing the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern here up till this current high, Filecoin has rallied almost 390%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $11.40 that had been previously breaking at the resistance here. And again, it broke at the resistance, and now it is breaking down this long-term support of $6.36. That was a quite significant support because previously it had been breaking at the resistance here, and almost as a support here. And here for a few weeks, it has been breaking at the resistance. And now the next support will be here at $4.60. That is also another very long-term support that has been previously breaking as a support here, resistance here, and support here, and almost as a support here as well. At the same time, Filecoin is also testing this very massive support that was previously breaking at the resistance, this red Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now you can see that it is testing the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Dago Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 5th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price had moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here. And after that, it will show you how the price then moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And previously you can see that it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. At the same time, we also had two rejections by this bigger downtrend line resistance. We got rejection here, we got another rejection here, and that was also at the same time a fake out from this smaller falling wedge pattern as well. And the price then re-entered this smaller falling wedge pattern. And finally, we broke it out here and here before breaking out this bigger falling wedge pattern. The price then also formed another smaller falling wedge pattern. And now after the breakout, you can see that we had a nice short rally, but the price then could not break out this long-term resistance of $11.50, $11.40 that had been previously breaking at the resistance here. By the way, here for 1 week, it also worked as a support as well. And now again, it worked as a strong resistance. And now the price then is breaking down this next support of $6.36, and now the next major support will be here at $4.60. At the same time, you can see that during this rally, Filecoin has broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and right now it is testing the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And in case of breaking down this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, it can drop down to the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and at the same time, it will be also testing this long-term support of $4.60. Now, we can see that we have broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. Therefore, sooner or later, the price then can hit the target for this massive breakout. And that target for this breakout can be here at the top of this wedge. That can be between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Bye.